So today I got a free plugin for you guys. We're looking at Royal Compressor by United Plugins. So it's a pretty simple compressor. You have your input control, you have your model, your recovery, saturation, analog, auto gain, output, your bypass, which is right here, your power on and off, or you can just use this. Doesn't really matter, does the same thing. Then you have your presets. So I got this session here. Now I'm only gonna play this part. I'm gonna take the plugin and I'm gonna put it on bypass. Let's listen back. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this plugin on. Without. With. Actually sounds a lot tighter and more upfront. I always tell you guys, when manufacturers create these plugins, when you open them for the first time, the preset that they use is probably one of the best sounding presets. So I didn't really change anything except the output. It was really loud. When I take the plugin in and out of bypass, I don't want the level to change. So one of the interesting things about this plugin, model. We have 3 different models. Now according to the manual, it only really documents A and C, but we're gonna listen to all 3 of them. So according to the manual, A is the cleanest. It's gonna sound really good. And C, a lot of saturation, has a lot of color. So you know what? Let's start off with A, with. Without. Pretty nice. We're gonna switch over to B, with. Without. Let's turn the plugin on. Without. So for this example, C seems to fit perfectly. You might like B or A. It all depends. You might like a slow release or a fast release. You also have this option here to put it on hold. If you want to use that, you can. But for this option, it's perfect where it's at. Also, we have auto gain. Usually I like to keep that off, but for the video, I kept it on. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna toggle between off and on. It's up to you if you want to use this function. The next option, saturation. So currently I have it at 100. This is what it sounds like. Without. Here's where we were before. So that's pretty much to it. I did mention that this plugin is free. There is a paid version. It's the exact same version of the plugin, except if you decide to keep the free version, it just drops the model and the recovery. But if you really like the plugin, I suggest just get the full version and support the developers.